Do you feel like you don't speak enough English? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and fluency fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account. Since you're learning the language, then you know just how frustrating it is to stop and look up new words every few minutes. You may feel like you spend more time shifting gears to look things up, rather than learning or progressing. Well, if you're learning with our lessons, there is a pain-free way to look up and learn new words without sidelining your lessons. How to boost your vocabulary and look up new words fast. And in this quick guide, you'll discover 1. How to access our audio dictionary for free. 2. How our users boost their vocabulary with this tool. And 3. How to save words so you can review them later. But first, if you don't yet have access to this tool, just click the link down in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now. First, what makes this feature so special? Simple. You learn new words easily, along with their translations and audio pronunciations. So, here's how you take full advantage of the audio dictionary right now. Find it in the vocabulary drop-down menu on the website, or just hover over the search icon in the top menu. Then enter any word and search. You can search in English or the target language. You'll get the word, the translation, and the transliteration to help you read it. The audio pronunciation and the slowed down audio are also there so that you can hear how it's spoken. How do our users use the audio dictionary? Many users rely on the dictionary while going through the lessons in our learning pathway. In every lesson, you're bound to come across new words, which is where the dictionary comes in. Looking up words is super easy because you don't have to leave the lesson or sideline your learning to go looking for a word. Just hover your mouse over the search icon, look up the word, and keep on going. Now, what if you want to save your words for future review? If you're a Premium or Premium Plus member, you can do just that. Simply select your desired entries by clicking the checkbox on the left, and then click on Add Selected Words to My Word Bank. So take advantage of the audio dictionary right now. But if you don't yet have access, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to sign up. Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the Word Bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.